Requalification is the process of periodically validating that GMP qualified equipment continues to meet defined specifications and performance criteria over time. It ensures that the equipment remains fit for its intended use after being operational for a period. The purpose of requalification is to ensure consistent performance. Verifying that equipment consistently operates within defined parameters helps to reduce the risk of process deviations. Identify potential issues. By detecting wear, deviations, or other issues that may affect performance, issues can be addressed before they impact product quality. Maintain regulatory compliance. Requalification helps to demonstrate adherence to GMP standards and regulatory requirements by validating equipment reliability over time. Requalification involves repeating aspects of installation qualification, operational qualification, and performance qualification as needed, ensuring that critical equipment remains compliant with regulatory expectations.